April Rain P. Baltolinaw, and Zion C. Atal. Palakpakan naman po natin. Alright, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman po natin April Rain P. Bartolinaw and Zion C. Atal. Next, our contestant number 2 from grade 1, Rose. Althea Alazon A. Villaser and Zion Tyler Joven. Let's give them a big round of applause, please.